Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're going to be making homemade orangeade. So if you guys love lemonade and you love oranges, this is basically lemonade, but with oranges. You only need 2 organic ingredients and it's quick and easy. Let me show you guys how to make it. So first we're going to add in half a cup of cane sugar to a small pot. Now we're going to add half a cup of water. And so all we're doing here is making a simple syrup with equal parts of cane sugar and water. So if you guys want to make this less sweet, you can just do less sugar and less water. Like for example, you could do 57 grams of sugar and 1/4 cup of water. That would be half the amount of sugar. And if you guys want to make this sugar-free, you can actually just skip this step completely. If doing sugar-free, then you can add in a liquid organic stevia such as New Naturals, and you can add that in as soon as we juice the oranges. So you can feel free to adjust the sugar level as much as you want, but I think that this is just perfect. So now we're going to add this pot over medium heat and just whisk to combine the sugar and the water completely until the sugar is completely dissolved. So once the simple syrup is done, just remove it from the heat and we're going to let that cool. Now it's time to juice our oranges. And so I'm just using a simple juicer here, and then I also have a Pyrex measuring cup, which is going to help me measure the orange juice. We're going to need about 1 1/4 cups. Once your juicer starts to fill up, go ahead and add the juice to the Pyrex so you can start measuring it. Now we're going to need a large pitcher and we're going to add the freshly squeezed orange juice into the pitcher. And then we're also going to add our simple syrup in too. Now if you wanted to make this sugar-free and you were going to use stevia, then you could add stevia in now. So now we're just going to fill the pitcher with filtered water and you're going to need about 5 cups. And I like to add some orange slices in to finish it off. And now we have the most delicious homemade orangeade. This is perfect all on its own, or you can use it as a mixer for drinks or even as an addition to smoothies. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.